Hi, welcome to my channel. The current video about Ontology. Ontology is a low position coin with a ticker Ontario that has a current worth of $0.252121 and a market capitalization of $220,668,666. On May 13, the cost of Ontology was at $0.231945 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 1.44%. 7 days prior, on May 7, Ontario was esteemed at $0.439440, and that really intends that from that point forward, the cost has varied by 0%. A month prior, on April 14, the market member laid out the cost of Ontology at $0.520661. Subsequently, the coin has made a 51.58% move to arrive at its current standings. On May 13, the cost of Ontology was at $0.231945 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 1.44%. 7 days prior, on May 7, Ontario was esteemed at $0.439440, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has varied by 0%. A month prior, on April 14, the market member laid out the cost of Ontology at $0.520661. Hence, the coin has made a 51.58% move to arrive at its current standings. Recently, on May 13, Ontario had a market capitalization of $203,009,798. Keep going week. On May 7, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $384,619,877. A month prior, on April 14, the market worth of Ontology was evaluated to be $455,708,563. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with Ontario arrived at the mark of $31,532,583. Recently, on May 13, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $86,815,468. 7 days prior, on May 7, how much Ontario that was traded between market members was assessed at $37,056,957. Is it safe to say that you are looking for whatever might be most ideal and moving coin of coin that can give you some high benefit in the forthcoming days? All in all, you don't have to stress, since there are many coins in the market that should be visible with their fast increment. Further, in this post you will find out about Ontario price prediction and its future potential also. Indeed, the crypto market is loaded up with bunches of astounding and top-moving coins of the day. This as well as turned into a subject of conversation in the new day, as the financial backers are in any event wanting to put into the coin with their sum and prepared face challenge with their sum. We generally share some data in regards to the top and famous coin of the day. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the Ontario market that depend on the readings of our novel crypto volatility index that assists us with measuring the market feeling and expect the bearing wherein the market plans to head. At this point, the cost of Ontology is $0.252121, while the coin presently ends up at 100th spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most applicable information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios. It's likewise critical to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping an appropriate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. In conclusion, the coursing supply is utilized to compute the market capitalization and evaluate the coin's ongoing remaining in the positions. It signifies the general measure of Ontario that is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation, since they are probably going to appreciate in esteem throughout a drawn-out timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this point, Ontology has a circling supply of 875,249,524 coins. During compassing this video, we will give you the data about the coin that is connected with the new state of the coin. Once more, we will give you a few significant subtleties of the coin like its ongoing cost, rank, about the coin, organizer, and a lot more things. The video is completely founded on the Ontology Ontario coin, and the new time, we can see the fast augmentation in the coin. We have examined many coins on our page, and you might actually look at the data about them. Some of the time it becomes fascinating to put resources into digital currency on account of its fast increment, and certain individuals enjoy even side interests to face challenges from the market. Presently, how about we move towards the data of the coin? What is ontology? The internet is showing that the ontology stage is made for the public that has planned to eliminate boundaries that interfere with the business area and the blockchain. The business area can utilize ontology without the past information on dispersed networks and can likewise utilize blockchain innovation. At the point when the Chinese organization sent off ontology in 2017 thus, there were no ways of coordinating blockchain into their framework without broad information on blockchain for organizations. Along with this, the ongoing trust networks face a few issues. These are the open doors for blockchain: untapped data value, insufficient personality, and unfortunate security insurance. Philosophy has the ability to determine this large number of issues with a strong trust environment. The ontology coin was sent off in 2017, and Jun Li is a pioneer behind the digital money. Presently, we will give you all the data in regards to the coin. Ontario price prediction. We have been dissecting the coin throughout the previous few months, and the reports express that during that time, the coin was not adequate for buy. However, in the new day, the coin is quickly expanding, and numerous financial backers are intending to put resources into the coin, and before 2 months, the cost of the coin was beneath $1, and presently, it is surfing above $1, and perhaps, it will take its high leap soon, and watching the exhibition of the coin will stun. During compassing this video, the ongoing cost of the coin shows $1.01 United States dollars, with an exchanging volume $152,631,645 United States dollars, and the cost increased 9.48% as of now. Alongside the above data, the live market cap of the coin is $880,172,695 United States dollars, and getting a circling supply of 875,249,524 Ontario coins, and the greatest stock of 1 billion Ontario coins, during compassing this video. As of late, the positioning of the coin is number 105, and soon, it will go under the rundown of top 100 coins of the rundown. Presently, we should move to the significant subtleties of the coin, and it appears to be that the cost will increment quickly in the forthcoming days. Here is the forecast of the coin that will be seen between 2022 to 2026. Ontario price prediction 2022. Indeed, on the off chance that you have chosen to purchase the coin for the following couple of years, thus, the going comes to the rundown of one of the best coins representing things to come. Indeed, you can put resources into the coin with practically no concern, and according to the specialist's exhortation, the cost of the coin will be stretched around $2 United States dollars before the year's over, and this as well as get to see some excessive cost in the coin.